So here are the coilovers. I already made a post about it that I ended up going with BC. There's not that many options, or there's not a lot of options for the non-ST-205 Celicas. So I ended up just going with something that's, I guess, local, so that I have warranty on them. So I gotta register them, and that gives me 1-year warranty with them. But there you have it. Full glory. Let me go ahead and take a pic. Is that your new bed?
Close. It's my new house.
Your new house? Oh yeah, you got kicked out, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Damn, broke boy. Anyways, so after struggling for like 2 hours because I believe my backing plate is bent.
It is.
I think it's bent, I'm not sure, but I ended up using some shim spacers and it spins freely now. So I ended up using 2 of the Honda crush washers, and I tightened it really well, but I think I'm gonna go to the store because I'm not gonna drive this car to SoCal. Like I said, I'm gonna get it towed, but on a later date I'm gonna go get some, what is it, what are the washers called, the ones that are cut and kind of
Crush washers?
Those are actually called crush washers? Well, anyways, I'm gonna go get some of those too and put it on the back so that the bolt doesn't back out. So I think I should be fine just driving it to the show and back to the Airbnb. But here's the setup.
Airbnb is like 5 minutes away.
Yeah, so I don't think it's gonna crash, hopefully. But you can see we got our freshly installed BC coilover. Shut up. BC coilover, and then we have a
BBC? BBK?
Wow, Clayton.
My fault.
Wow.
Dude, it's a BBK.
A big brake kit upgrade. These rotors are from Australia. ST-205. ST-205 rear. Supra brake pads with Supra hardware. I'm gonna go ahead and put the part numbers for all this in the description. I don't have them on me right now, but I got the pins, I guess the pin holder and the pin double pin holder, I guess. So that should be good. And then we got the STOPTECH braided stainless or braided brake line. Crush washer right there. And it spins freely, so I think I should be fine. Hopefully. I already got that tightened down, so I'm gonna leave the wheel off for now because we're gonna be installing, or we gotta bleed the brakes. Oh, and I also installed a brand new sway bar end link because the old one is bent, which is why it leads me to believe that my backing plate is also bent.
It's just slightly, Noah.
I think it is, but it should be fine. Now we're gonna focus on the other side, and I'm gonna record and show you guys everything. Cut it.
You wanna cut it right now, or do you wanna?
No, I'm gonna cut it.
Right now?
Or you want to install the coilover first?
We gotta remove the rotors and everything.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Here, I'll start removing it. You just gotta record.
Okay. So gonna take off the caliper and the bracket.
It's pretty simple.
It's held on by this bolt right here to a 12, I believe, and then you have the 14s, one right here and one down here. That will get the whole caliper bracket to come off. Then you have the 12 mil right here for the brake line, and then make sure to spray this down with WD-40 and break it afterwards, or not literally break it, but you know. And then the sway bar end link, we're gonna use the Allen key for the inside, and then the open end wrench, 14 millimeter to take it out. Same goes for the back over here. And then the strap, you have 2 19s. The nut right here, down there as well. This should come out. 19 mil with the impact. That should get the caliper out. The caliper bracket rotor comes out, and then I'm gonna come in with the angle grinder to just cut the whole back portion of the lip off. Oh, and then the top of the strut assembly, you have 3 right here. Very easy compared to a 7th gen, honestly. So I have the camber bolts right here.
Oh, did you install on the other side?
Yeah, I did. So that's the part number and the sway bar end link. That's the part number right there, stabilizer bar link. And Clayton's over here removing everything.
Slaving.
Slaving?
What? Who said that?
Did I not say you're getting paid? What the hell?
He did not say that.
Just for that, you're getting paid in Popeye's chicken sandwich.
Canes.
No, actually, you're getting crispy, crunchy chicken. That
Church's chicken.
Wow.
No.
Are they still around?
Don't you have them down the street?
Yeah, there is. High performance shock absorber. Do not open. Do not heat. Gas filled. 94.99 Celica. Bobby, I got gas.
Bruh.
Bobby, I got gas.
It's propane and propane accessories.
Oh. So just took out the strut assembly. Playboy has it. Old ass KYBs with some generic lowering springs. I don't know. Crusty ass rotor.
Crusty ass sea bass, turn it around.
Wow. Anyways, I've been already cutting the lip on this. You can see. So I'm gonna cut it all the way around and go from there. R.I.P. blade did its job. I literally just put this on and I was able to do both sides, but basically you guys get the general idea. We're just cutting off like this folded section. Clay was like, oh, just cut it off, it'll be fine.
Remove it by the Torx bits, right?
What Torx bits? Come show me.
On the backside, no?
Come show me.
Oh shit, man.
Yeah, oh shit, man. Yeah. Fuck 7th gens. It's all about 6th gens.
Okay, man.
Anyways, I already cut it. I cut a little bit of right here so it could clear, but gives you a general idea. Blah, 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 blah. Vicente Fernandez not copywriting me right now. Blah, 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 blah. Rest in peace.
Yeah, rest in peace, the goat. Don't mind the noise. That's just my best friend over there.
Crackheadsville. But I went ahead and got free. Can't even speak. I got this free so that I could spin this because this side has to be on the outside. You can kind of see the one that's one-sided because these two are low. This one's higher, and it goes outside like this. So we need to make sure this is lined up. I'm pretty sure the height's not going to be all that great until we readjust this, but I can do that myself another day. So I just need his cringe help to be able to bleed the brakes.
Alright, thanks, Cringe Bass.
Yep. Alright, let's go. So got the, oh, there's a lot of crap in here. So we got the coilover installed, we got the new sway bar end link, we got the camber bolt, and I already got the backing plate cut. Already installed it and just spinning it. That's the scraping inside, most likely the brake shoe. Should be fine.
Now here comes the fun part.
Yeah, installing the GT4 big brake caliper. This thing's massive, man.
Dude, that's what Seabass said.
Stop.
That's what Seabass said.
Stop. Go away. So I got it installed. Had to use a couple of washers right there, but it should be fine because I torqued it. And I already went ahead and slipped the pads in. So now we're gonna go ahead and put all the hardware on. There you have it installed. Now we're gonna switch out the brake line right now. So go ahead and do that right now. After so many goddamn hours.
4 hours to be exact, 4.5 hours.
This was a pain in the ass. Brutal pain in the ass.
One of those things, man.
So online they say it's a bolt-on scenario, but it's not. You have to trim a lot of the backing plate, and you have to use shims to space the caliper forward or outwards because it's gonna hit the rotor. So hopefully these do a good job. As I said, I'm gonna go buy crush washers later on to make sure it doesn't back out the bolt, but other than that, we already bled it. Everyone knows how to bleed brakes, so I'm just gonna throw the wheels back on, and he says do the front.
Wait, hold on. Gotta put these JDM.
Damn. Made in Japan.
Whoa, JDM is.
JDM as fuck. JDM as fuck. JDM as fuck. Fuck. This car's
JDM is fuck.
where?
Oh,
Oh no.